So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app's opened up, just go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, then go to the top and press on place order. Once you're here, just go to the top, and instead of typing in Ethereum, so if I were to go ahead and type in Ethereum right here, you're going to notice that you can't actually buy Ethereum, but instead you can buy an Ethereum ETF. So for example here, there's ETH.B or ETHX.B. There's a bunch of different Ethereum ones right here, so you can go ahead and do that. A couple other ones that I do know that comes to mind in case you guys are curious is you can go ETHH, like this is another example of an Ethereum ETF. There's another one, I believe it's FETH, if I'm not mistaken. So there's a bunch of different ETFs that you guys can invest in regards to Ethereum. So let's go ahead here and select this one as an example. Once you have your Ethereum ETF selected, go ahead and select the account that you want to buy this in. So it could be your TFSA, FHSA, whatever the case may be. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Once your account is selected, you can go to the action and press on buy or sell. In this case, you'd press buy, as well as the order type right here. There's market, limit, and stop limit. So I'm going to go ahead and select buy. Once that is all done, you can select the amount or the quantity of the ETF that you wanted to purchase. So if you wanted to purchase 10 shares, for example, you can go ahead and press 10. It'll then show you the value. It'll then add in the commissions paid and then show you the total price. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed this way with the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Ethereum on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.